friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking dried chickpeas in the Instant Pot. So what we need is a pound of dried chickpeas, 6 cups of water, it's already been pre-measured, and a teaspoon of salt. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 pound of dried chickpeas. So no soaking needed. And now I'm going to add 6 cups of water. And a teaspoon of salt. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 45 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked chickpeas. And now I'm going to drain water. So I'm just going to take a colander. So now I'm going to put cooked chickpeas in a bowl. Perfect. So here are perfectly cooked chickpeas, made straight from dried chickpeas, no soaking needed. And now let's try it. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Soft and perfectly cooked. The texture and taste are amazing. You're going to love cooking dried chickpeas in the Instant Pot. This is so easy and they taste so much better than canned. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!